This is Bodhi, by the way. So he makes a rare appearance on the show, but there he is there. So he is going to be our test subject for today. I'm going to upload image and I need your help editing it. Do you understand? Okay, so now we're going to upload Bodhi. So now we can say, please turn this photo black and white. There we go. There's Bodhi black and white. Flip it upside down. So there's Bodhi there. Make an animated GIF of this image while slowly zooming in. Now here's the GIF here. So let's we'll download it so we can look at it separately. So let's take a look. There it is. So it zooms.